What is up, YouTube? It is me, Devontae, here, bringing you another video. Sorry for the delay in videos. I know it's been a while, but I'm trying to stay a little bit more consistent here, and things of that nature. So anyway, just a quick update. MLM Gateway. I got a referral to my account about 12 days ago in MLM Gateway, and I also have a sale the next day. One of my two referrals purchased, I guess, a traffic package or purchased something, and I got a commission of $8.75. So yeah, that's very cool. I didn't even know like the affiliate programs work like that. But this is my the dashboard here in MLM Gateway. I have 14 credits, so I got, as you can see, I'm about to use these credits to get some more ads going, get some ad campaigns going as well. Oops, I'll show you right here the referral program. I referred two people and I got a commission, 35%. So that's $8. Let me see. Let me see how this method works. The cash out method. Alright, I'm gonna do that in a second because I really don't know what's next. So I would do another video talking about cashing out in MLM Gateway because I'm not sure. I wasn't even aware of the referral program. I mean, I was aware of the referral program, but I didn't know you can earn that way. You know, so that's actually pretty great. The MLM Gateway. I'm getting a few referrals and things of that nature. So I'm just trying to just push this momentum before I start buying traffic. I haven't brought any traffic to any of my links yet. I know it's been a while, but once I start doing that, along with free things like making videos and posting them on various platforms, on top of this doing that and buying traffic, when that all that momentum comes together, I'm gonna explode. So it's only a matter of time and execution and me putting in the effort. And one more thing I wanted to talk to you guys about the Complete Freedom Group. I will leave this link in the description, but make sure you guys get involved with the Facebook group. It's for your mental support, us being entrepreneurs. Being having mental support and things of that nature is very important because this is a more of a mental game than anything. Being an entrepreneur and making money online, and this Facebook group provides you with, because you're in a group with the same people that's doing the same thing that you're trying to accomplish, and people that's you know doing pretty well in this field that we're currently in. So with you being in the Facebook group, that will give you a lot of support for your mental stability and moving forward. And you can even ask questions here. It's very open. You can help. They're here to help you guys as well. We all are in the same loop, so in the same niche. So I wanted to show you if I could find it really quickly, and they even do live hangouts for us and everything, things of that nature. This is also a great point. If you are wishy-washy, then you would get wishy-washy results, and that's basically, it's like he's speaking to me. Like, this is a perfect example. Me, I haven't uploaded a video in 2 weeks now, and I see something like this. It really helps my support and tells me to keep going. So results like even simple posts like this goes a long way. But I'm really here to look for one post in particular right here. There is power in going all in your own business. You can't cheat yourself. Dipping your toe in will not get you results. And as you can see here, he's all in the lead lightning power lead system. He's all in. So he's in a Master Institute program. That's like $1,000. He's having like multiple $1,000 days, like $500 days. You have to put yourself in that position, as he's saying. This like he's speaking to us. He's speaking to us. He's speaking to me. Like, don't just be dipping your toe in like I'm doing currently. You gotta go all in, and that's I'm trying to make that transition now. So as you can see, the Facebook group is here to help you guys. I'll leave the Facebook group in the description. Of course, you gotta, you know, join and they gotta approve you. But this Facebook group is here to help you. You know, it helps me, and again, I just want to help people. I just want to help each other. You know, that's what we're in. That's what we're here for, to help each other. And I just want to just pass on some information. Um, yeah, it's very powerful. It's very powerful. You know, this Facebook group, you know, really puts you on the right track here. I would log in to Lead Lightning, but there's no reason for that. Everything is still the same for the most part. I'm just promoting various platforms. Last year being BrokePlan.com. My name is Devontae Graves. I'll see you on the inside.